What's up YouTube? I am MindBlown Chef. This is Cooking Made Simple. Now, exactly what is Cooking Made Simple? I'm a professional chef. I take recipes and I make them more simple, not less flavorful, more simple. So that way you at home as the viewer can do this, and that's what it's all about. So today's recipe, homemade guacamole. Check out what we got. For this recipe, I'm gonna use 3 avocados. I have a cutting board, a knife, and a glass Pyrex bowl. That's basically all you're gonna need, all right? We're gonna take our avocado. Now, if you've almost cut your hand off cutting an avocado, or you just don't know really a good way to cut an avocado, I will put the link to how to cut avocados in this video, so you have no question about that. All right, so I'm gonna peel off the skin on all of these, and then I'm gonna place them into my bowl. Just like that. See, the skin comes right off. Oh, avocados are all peeled. In my guac, I use pico. Now, if you don't know what pico de gallo is, I'll put the link for the video. I'll show you exactly how to make it, homemade, nice and fresh. I got 1 lime right here, half, couple slivers we're gonna squeeze in there, little salt, little pepper, and that is it for this homemade guacamole. So we're gonna put our pico in. I'm gonna squeeze our lime in there. That was a half a lime just cut in wedges. And then we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna mix it with a fork. The reason I use a fork is because I still want the avocado to be kind of chunky. Quick tip for storing your avocado. A lot of people could use this tip. Take a paper towel and squeeze either lemon or lime juice all over the paper towel, getting it nice and soft. When you place the paper towel, place it inside the bowl on top of the avocado. Try to push down, or guac, push down on all the edges to kind of seal it, and then wrap it with your saran wrap. That will make the browning a lot less over a period of time. And there you have it, guys, homemade guacamole. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up and go check out my channel. I'll put the link in the description below. We do a lot of cool recipes, and again, simple, easy, so you, the viewer, can make this at home. Like pico de gallo in my oven. Just do it again. Always use a fork because you want it to be chunky. Because. Is it on me? Here. Does it look good? Did you see? You're recording there?